What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. What up, Zach? And what up, Christian Padilla? Haven't seen you here before, Christian, so welcome to the show. Welcome to the community. Glad to have you. And what's up, Peasy? What's up, guys? Appreciate everyone.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yeah. Today is pretty good. But, you know, more or less the same for 2022. Not surprising. Every single day, Reminiscent. And yeah, Mullen. We're going to talk about Mullen today. Because, they had some PR release, and they're supposed to have earnings. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, today we're going to talk about Mullen. Looking crazy out here. What, the market? Yeah, it's a bloodbath. Well, I wouldn't call it a bloodbath, but we're like, not really going anywhere, making lower lows. So what happens? We tank, we recover, major support, major resistance, and we break to the downside, rinse and repeat. So yeah, it's crazy out here, crazy year, but hang in there, you know, it'll come back pretty soon. Alright, guys. So today is Thursday, June 30th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, so today we're doing the show from Reminiscent. And that is because everything's in the red. Not like majorly in the red, but all major indexes in the red. Crypto's in the red, so yep. Reminiscent today. We're getting ramen tonight. But like I just said, you know, nothing new here. That's 2022 for you. So I hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. Honestly, shouldn't take too long. Don't have too much planned today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we got 4 articles. We got some news about Celsius, about FTX. Both Celsius and FTX separately and together. Got some news about that. And then some news about the so-called crypto queen. FBI wants her. That was kind of like BitConnect before BitConnect happened. We'll get to that. But that was about OneCoin, which I haven't heard about in a while. But yeah, we'll get to that. And then today for the TA, for the analysis, we'll just be doing MULN Mullen Automotive. So I'm not actually sure what time the earnings are supposed to come out. But yeah, we'll do TA on Mullen. Go over the PR today, or lack of PR, and hopefully numbers come out before we get to the TA, so we have you know, we can analyze those new numbers, the earnings. So yeah, 4 articles, 1 TA, and then we'll get to the Yolos. Yolos shouldn't take too long. Mostly memes today. I think there's like 1 gain corn, 1 lost corn. Yeah, so nothing too serious there. Shouldn't take too long. So yeah, today we'll aim for about an hour and a half. Should probably finish hour and a half today. Because I don't have too much planned for you guys, and Thursday is usually one of the slower days for streaming, so I don't expect too many people to come in and chat today. But if you guys do, always welcome. You know, always a pleasure to kick it with you guys and chill. So if you guys want to stay and chat, stay for a little longer, that's fine with me. But honestly, today's show shouldn't take too long. Don't have too much planned for you guys. What up, Swirls? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
think we're back up. Hold on. I think we're back up. Alright, let me double check YouTube. I think we're live again. Alright, let me know, guys. Let me know, guys, if it's working. But I think we're back. I think we're back. Let me just make sure on YouTube. YouTube looks like it's buffering. No one's saying anything, so... Not sure if it's working or not. Stuck at 59. My apologies, guys. Give me 1 second. Bear with me here. Technical difficulties. So it looks like the stream is freezing. So hopefully it works here soon. But it looks like it's buffering right now. Is it still lagging, guys? Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's see. Alright, you guys are saying it's working now. Alright, so I'm going to roll with it. I hope it's working. YouTube looks like it's still lagging a little bit, but hopefully that fixes itself. But some of you guys are saying it's working now, so... So my apologies, technical difficulties. Hopefully it works, but let me know if it's not. But we'll just roll with it for now. So, video is a bit lagging. Alright, I can't really do anything about that. Video is working fine on my side now, so I think it's really a YouTube problem. So hopefully that fixes itself, but yeah, we'll move on for now. Hopefully it works out. But yeah, my apologies, guys. I don't know what happened. My computer crashed. That's a first. There has been times where I accidentally hit the off button live, but my computer's never crashed live before, so that's a bit concerning. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I really don't know what happened there, but alright, whatever. We're past that. My bad, technical difficulties. Hopefully the show runs smooth from here. So yeah, my apologies, guys, and thank you guys for staying around, for sticking around while I sorted that out. We're kind of behind 15 minutes here. Took like 10-15 minutes just to get back up here. So my bad. But yeah, what's up, Low Roller? What's up, Ken? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Alright. Back to it. So yeah, appreciate everyone who's still here, who stuck around.
I appreciate you.
Alright, I don't even remember what we were talking about. So yeah, I did say, we had 4 articles today. Yeah, so recap 4 articles today. 1 TA, Mullen, and we'll get to the Yolos. And there aren't too many Yolos, mostly memes today. So, yep, let's do it, guys. So once again, my apologies, but back on track here. Does anyone know if what time the Mullen earnings comes out, or if it's even gonna come out? Because I'm hoping that comes out before we do the TA. But I don't see anything just yet, so... I mean, we'll do it regardless. But it'd be nice if we had the earnings before we actually got into TA. Swirl says, stop downloading corn. No, it's not that. It's not that. I don't do that very much. But, yeah, I don't know what happened. I think it just overheated. It's kind of hot right now on my computer. But it's running fine, so I don't know. We're good now, though. You can use your BitConnect song since your computer crashed. Yeah, I give myself the BitConnect. And my apologies about the sirens, guys. Going to talk over it. It's a ladder attack? Yeah, I'm getting short ladder attack. Now, YouTube's taking me down. They don't like me anymore. Because we go off the rails here sometimes and start talking about, rated R things. Tide, please, Mr. Wong. Did that get distributed or what? Did you get your Tide or not? They're still not doing it? I don't know what's up with that. BBIG is a honorable mention, though. Shout out to BBIG. Not going to talk about it today, but that did make top 10 StockTwits. So shout out to BBIG. I'm taking break on Seal Games today. Tide is tanking. I should have gone with my short. Oh well. No earnings? I thought they had earnings planned. Well, I guess there was no official earnings, but he did say at the end of Q2, right? Which is today, so... alright, so I guess there's no earnings. That's pretty disappointing. May have to edit that, because that's a bit misleading in the title. So, alright, so I guess there's no earnings, but we'll do Mullen today. And... how much did Tide go down? You heard Kevin Durant request a trade. It is breaking news. I did not hear that. But yeah, Brooklyn is just dysfunctional. So, I'm not really surprised, but I hope that doesn't happen. I hope they can work it out somehow. Kind of dumb, because Irving just opted in, so why do you want to trade now? Alright, yeah, more Nets drama. Stop mining Bitcoin. Kind of feels like it right now, like that's what it's doing. Yeah, I don't know. I think I just might need a new computer. Been overworking it a lot. Not yet. Just bought 500 shares. Mullen lied again. Yeah, we'll get to that. But you guys, a lot of you guys were excited for the Fortune 500 reveal today, and there is no Fortune 500 company, or he's gonna delay it again. CEO said lots of stuff. Yeah, he's a fast talker. To me, he's Trevor Milton 2.0. Just talk. And just manipulating his own stock. So, yeah, I want to give him the benefit of the doubt. But, up to this point, it doesn't look good. The whole Hindenburg report and him making all these bold claims and nothing to show for it. We'll get to it, though. But yeah, I guess there's no earnings today, so I gotta change the title real quick. But yeah, guys. So thanks everyone for sticking around. My bad about the technical difficulties, but we're back on track now. Let's do it. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You want Kevin Durant on the Knicks? Yeah, that'd be nice, but I doubt that's gonna happen. Alright, let's do it, guys. You got BlockFi news today? Yes, I do. Alright, watch list here. So, we're not going to spend too much time here because we are like 15 minutes behind now, so I'm going to try to speed it up a little bit. Oh, and let me change the YouTube title real quick as well. no more earnings in the title. And now we're at 8 viewers, 10 likes. So, yeah, I was kind of pissed because I thought all the viewers. Well, I'm kind of surprised that I didn't have to make a new stream. It just restarted again. And but you guys stuck through it. A lot of people in here, 8 viewers. So please smash that like button if you haven't yet. And yeah, let's continue. So sorry about the technical difficulties. Let's continue on with the show here. All right, so the Dow Jones down 0.82%. Nasdaq down 1.33%. And the S&P down 0.88%.
And it's gone.
Yeah, pretty bad day here in the stock market. Not like terrible, but pretty bad. Especially for tech. VIX is up 1.95%, up 0.55 points. So we're at 28.71 VIX now. Almost 29 VIX, which not good at all, not good at all. So, yeah, VIX has been up for a while, for a couple of months now. And it looks like it's going to be above 20 for a while. But, all right, let's take a look at the watch list. Start on the green side. Not too much here on the green side. Redbox, 9%. Honorable mention, Redbox. That didn't make top 10 StockTwits. DWAC, 7%. Pfizer, 3%. We got Lockheed Martin, Costco, CEI, Chipotle. That's about it. Li Auto, Ocugen, Virgin Galactic, Kraft Heinz, Coke, Intel, J&J, Moderna, T-Mobile. Yeah, not much on the green side here. Like, at all. So, some random value stocks and some random growth stocks. But really not much in the green, and not much price action. So, yeah, really the only relevant thing moving here is Redbox and maybe Pfizer. But yeah, not much in the green here. So it looks like Apes and Boomers getting wrecked here today. And onto the red side. Let's see here. Some comments real quick. What up, Daniel? It's been a while, dude. Nice seeing you again. Appreciate you. Welcome back. Do you think IMPP cares about being listed on NASDAQ? That would require the stock be at least $1. Well, do they care? They probably would like to be listed on the NASDAQ. But I don't think it's necessarily a priority. But if anything, they can just do a reverse split. To $1. What's it at now? 50? It was just at 90 not too long ago. So, if they really wanted to, they could just reverse split. But I don't think that's a priority for them. I don't know, though. But, yeah, shout out to you, dude. Welcome back. Crypto crashing today. What happened? Yeah, I don't know, but it's down at 19K now. I'm not happy. You should delete the stream, start new one. No one will watch buffering, stream early. Yeah, well, too late now. We're back on the original one, so I'll just timestamp it out of there. I'll put a timestamp later on the show. But yeah, thanks everyone for sticking around. The Rockefeller, damn it, Mullen. Well, I think you're new here, so welcome to the show, dude. What's up? Yeah, Mullen has been a pretty big disappointment up to this point, and pretty big disappointment today. But we'll get to that. We'll do a full TA, so stick around for that. Shout out to you, dude. Baby deletion. Swallow says baby deletion. Yeah, so we talked about that yesterday, but no baby deletion today. Do you think Mullen could still have the PR? He has a history of posting late in after hours. I thought the PR already dropped, did it not? Didn't the PR drop in the morning? I thought he said there's... He just mentioned adding to the Russell. There was no mention of the Fortune 500 stuff. It was just some basic stuff. There was no Fortune 500 company. I think they already dropped the PR, unless you're referring to some other PR that I don't know about. But probably not. It was brutal earlier this morning, plus Bitcoin Guh. Yeah, it's brutal every day. Getting pretty desensitized to all the red. No more PR. Yeah, that's what I thought. Market is still open, so why wouldn't there be a PR? Technically, it's not. It's the aftermarket. But they already dropped the PR. I think they did. Twitter feed says someone called and CEO assistant said to refer back to other PR about making changes to van before order. Oh, he said that too. He said he delivered a van and didn't disclose the company, and the company is requesting upgrades or something. So I don't think there's any more PR. No. But if there is, well, I'll be sure to bring the news to you. No PR dropped at all? Yeah, it did drop this morning. There was PR this morning on the website, dude. It wasn't anything new. It was just stuff that already happened, and no Fortune 500 company, and they were supposed to report a good balance sheet, but I don't know if they even did that yet. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on it, but I don't think there's any new PR. Alright, back to this, guys. So on the red side, what happened to BBIG? What the hell? Whoa. Wait, what? No way. When was it down this much? Hold up. Hold up. When did it go down this much? Something's not right here. Why does it say down 30%? It didn't go down 30% today, did it? It did? Wait, what? Hold on. Because I missed that. Because StockTwits and TD are saying two totally different things. Yeah, I don't know why TD is saying that it went down 30% today. Because it did not. Yeah, I don't know why TD is saying that, but that I was like, what? Hold up. So yeah, that's not happening. Probably talking about Tide. Tide down 69%. What's the price of Tide right now? $2. Wow. So yeah, that's not a good way to IPO. Yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. Well, can't say I'm surprised. Everything they added to their website is stuff we already knew. Yeah, but that was the PR. They're hyping the PR up, and then it's stuff we already knew. That's what I'm saying. It's super disappointing. That was the PR, dude. Well, if it's not the PR, that's still a problem because he said there was gonna have a PR today, and then there's no PR. So either way, this is pretty disappointing and pretty bearish. Either it's bad PR, like stuff we already knew, or he lied. So it's a lose-lose. Yes, BBIG down 29%. RRP BBIG. Is it actually down 30% today? Because all these different StockTwits saying it's not. IBKR saying it's not. But why is TD saying it is? What is going on here? Yeah, I don't know what's up with BBIG here. This can't be right. Yeah, I don't know what's up with BBIG. But we're not going to talk about it today. That's a go. I don't know which price is correct. But, alright, whatever. So IMPP, 10.6%. Ouch. Canopy growth, 19%. Ouch. AERC still pulling back. Mullen, which we will analyze today, down 10%. Good. A lot of go, huh? That's a scam. And MU earnings now good. Everything is good, huh? Nuclear MOAS. On what? Mullen or BBIG? Nuclear MOAS delete. Yeah. Sad day, sad day. Everything is burning here. Like the Joker meme. Alright, what else we got? MicroStrategy, 8.5. Ouch. Marathon, 8%. XCLA, Riot, Snapchat, Tilray, Coinbase. Everything getting wrecked here. Lyft, GM, DraftKings, Airlines, SoFi, Dash, DoorDash, Uber. Everything. Square, Roblox, HYMC, meme index down 3%. Mostly growth though. I don't see too much value here. Yeah, there's Wish, Robinhood, Peloton. Oil's going down. Exxon down 2.8%. And tech, here we go. Google 2.5, Amazon 2.5, Nvidia 2.5. Yeah, tech not doing too good here. Alibaba, AMD, Netflix. Value is more down here. So actually there is a good amount of value going down. Mostly tech. Yeah, Apple, Amazon, Palantir, Meta, everything going down here. Microsoft. So yeah, not much in the green. Pretty much everything in the red. Especially growth and tech. Really getting wrecked here today, which has been the theme of 2022. So yeah, pretty bad day in the stock market here. That's really unfortunate. Hope you guys didn't lose too much money today. Let's get on to crypto. And let me see MU real quick. So I am, I think 20 minutes behind. But, let me see MU. See it on IBKR. Yeah, it's coming back. It's coming back. It went down to 50. Now it's bouncing back to 54. So, not too good. Let's get to crypto. One second here. I'm all over the place today. I just lost my notes and I gotta open my browser now because I was set up before. Now I'm not. Because we had technical difficulties. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Alright, cool. I now know what nuclear MOAS means. MOAS to the ground. Yeah, the more you scream it, the more it goes down. I wonder what he's saying now. Rara Coco, what's he saying? Alright, guys. Ow, this is pretty bad. Wow. Yeah, so crypto's down 5.2% today. This is really bad. A lot of red here. This is terrible. So Bitcoin's down 6%, under 19K now. ETH down 8%, pushing 1K. Binance down 4%, XRP 3%, Cardano 5.5%, Solana 7%, Doge almost 9%, Sheep 3%. Yeah, a lot of red here. Polygon 11%, FTX, Chronos getting wrecked. Oh, this is really bad. Wasn't this bad before, but this is pretty terrible. Yeah, let's sort this out. So, yeah, this is terrible. So, a whole 3 coins in the green here. We got Arweave, Bora, and AMP. So, by far biggest gainer is AMP, 29%. And then big drop off from there, Bora, 2%. So, literally nothing in the green today. And the red side, most of the coins in the red and a lot of price action. So we're not even going to go through this, but there's a good mix of value and growth on the red side here. Biggest loser, Terra Classic, USD. That's been running like crazy this week, but pulling back today, 25%. And here we got Polygon, ApeCoin, Avalanche. Good amount of growth and value. So, yeah, we're not even going to look at that. It's just straight up pure bloodbath here. But yeah, terrible day for crypto. Really, really bad day for crypto. Literally nothing in the green. Like 3 coins in the green, not much price action. Everything in the red, and a lot of price action. So yeah, overall, pretty terrible day. Stock market and crypto, but especially in crypto.
And it's gone.
Really, really sickening. Just keeps going lower and lower. Alright. Alright, give me 1 second. Let me pull up the articles for today. Got 4 of them. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet, guys. Appreciate you. Give this a second to finish loading. Let me check YouTube real quick. Alright, so it looks like most people dipped. We're at 4 viewers, 11 likes. So shout out to everyone who's still here. And everyone who was here. Alright, so today I got 4 articles, guys. One about Celsius. One about FTX. Well, 2 about FTX and BlockFi. And one about OneCoin. So let's do it. So this news about Celsius and FTX is really just an update on what we've been covering all week. So check it out. Celsius breaks silence as it attempts to stabilize liabilities, protect assets. Celsius announces that it is exploring complex options to restructure liabilities in order to preserve and protect assets. Yeah, so we all know Celsius is going through some stuff right now, and yeah, they finally issued a statement, pretty much saying they're bankrupt. We already knew this. So they may not be, I don't know if they're getting liquidated, but they're in some hot water right now. So they're trying to get out of this without getting liquidated. And yesterday we saw that the CEO tried to run away, or it's a rumor at least. So, yeah, not much. Short article here. But Celsius did officially say that they're dealing with some problems right now, but they're working on it. That's basically what they said. So, not very helpful, not very reassuring, but hey, it's an update. So, yeah, Celsius still in a lot of trouble here. And building on that, FTX discarded Celsius deal after reportedly finding $2 billion missing from its balance sheet. FTX reportedly walked away from a deal with Celsius after discovering a $2 billion hole in its balance sheet. Celsius is currently looking to make strategic transactions to secure its assets. Yeah, so we know FTX is going on a buying spree right now. Pretty much buying all these disgruntled assets, crypto assets, looking to expand. And I didn't know they were looking at Celsius. That would have been big. But yeah, Celsius is missing $2 billion from its balance sheet. Like, what? Where did these $2 billion go? Money laundering, that's what. Embezzlement, money laundering. From the inside, it has to be. So yeah, more problems for Celsius, and FTX did their homework, and good thing they didn't invest in Celsius, because they'd be on the hook for $2 billion there. So yeah, Celsius is just going through some crazy stuff right now. Stay far away. Alright, and staying on FTX. FTX closes in on a deal to buy embedded crypto lender BlockFi for $25 million in a fire sale, source says. So you guys were posting about this on Discord earlier, not too long ago, so shout out to you guys. But yeah, here's the official news. Crypto exchange FTX is close to finalizing a term sheet to buy BlockFi, and the deal is expected to be signed by the end of this week, 3 sources familiar with the situation told CNBC. It comes after FTX provided a $250 million emergency line of credit to BlockFi. The price tag is well below BlockFi's last valuation, leaving equity investors in BlockFi wiped out and writing off the value of their losses. Alright. So yeah. Apparently FTX is going to acquire BlockFi, but you guys posted on Discord. So there's a lot of fake news and FUD going on right now. A lot of official sources like CNBC are reporting that they're going to get bought for 25 mil, but BlockFi apparently came out on Twitter and said that is not true. That is not the case. So don't really know what's going on right now. So for now, I'm gonna believe this until they update it. But yeah, a lot of sources reporting $25 million sale. BlockFi says no, so I don't even know. We'll see what happens. But pretty big news here. It looks like BlockFi is going to get acquired by FTX, whether it's for 25 mil or more than that. So yeah, more BlockFi FTX drama here. FTX still doing its thing, becoming a super monopoly. And the last article here. Excuse me. Alright. So this one's about OneCoin, which was kind of the first ever BitConnect. It was BitConnect before it was BitConnect. It was a fraud. It was a Ponzi. It wasn't even a Ponzi, it was just a fraud. Yeah, let's read here. FBI adds crypto queen to 10 most wanted fugitive list after alleged $4 billion OneCoin fraud. The FBI added Dr. Ruja Ignatova, the so-called crypto queen, to its list of 10 most wanted fugitives. The agency is offering a $100,000 reward for information leading to her arrest. Ignatova, the founder of a cryptocurrency called OneCoin that was launched in 2014, allegedly defrauded investors of more than $4 billion over 3 years before disappearing. So I don't know why it took this long for the FBI to add her to the list. Maybe they had bigger fish to go after. But yeah, for everyone who doesn't know, this lady, Dr. Ruja Ignatova, founded OneCoin, and it was a pump and dump, and she disappeared off the face of the earth. No one knows where she went. But she's probably a billionaire right now in some island somewhere. So yeah, no one knows where she is. The FBI is looking for her. I'm just surprised it took 8 years to add her to this list. Haven't heard about OneCoin in a while. But yeah, the OG BitConnect. So minor news there. And I do hope she gets caught, because it's pretty messed up. A lot of people lost their money. Alright guys, that's all the news for today. Good stuff. And despite the technical difficulties, we are doing pretty good on time here. 4:51, so all we got left is the MULN TA and the Yolos. So yeah, so maybe we'll get, I said an hour and a half before, and after the technical difficulties, maybe it's going to be closer to 2 hours. But yeah, we're doing pretty good on time here. So yeah, let's get to MULN. Let me actually pull up the PR from their website. So here's the website. Why she do that? Because she was scamming everyone. She's a scammer. That's why. She stole everyone's money and took off. Was it worth it? I don't know. But she didn't get caught yet, so I'm guessing for now it is. Alright guys, so once again we're gonna do Mullen. And that's it for today. Maybe BBIG later, after the show, possibly. Extra content, but yeah, we're just gonna stick to Mullen today. NATA on Tide. No, there's, it's just launched today. I can't say anything about this. It's just one big red bar. Well, this is pretty nasty though. Went down 30% in the first day. So that is a terrible start. Probably a lot of, BBIG bag holders looking to recoup the losses somehow. So a lot of dumping here. But yeah, I can't analyze this. This is one bar. First day of trading. I can't analyze here. So maybe in the future, but I can't do anything with this. But yeah, guys, we're going to do Mullen. And that's it for today. Mullen, that's it. And actually, give me a second to pull up my notes here. To pull them back up, because that closed when my computer restarted. Let's see. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place today. Alright, there we go. Got it. Scam is okay, short sell is illegal. No, scam is not okay, and short sell is not illegal. What a fat red candle, guh? Absolutely. 30%, guh. First day. I had a strong feeling tied with tank. Yeah, it makes sense. Like I said, it seems like just everyone bag holding wanted a quick way out, so they just dumped it as soon as it came out. Not surprised at all. I'm actually surprised it's even worth $3. Thought it'd be worth less than that. And it's gone? Absolutely.
And it's gone.
Again, too many people are in denial. Yeah, it's just hopium. That's all it is. It's hopium, It's really sad. I've seen it over and over. Retail getting screwed in this meme scam stock, and they just don't want to admit to themselves that they lost money. They made a bad decision. It's all hopium. That's all it is. Bullet is not going to release PR. They did. That was the PR, dude. Let me just double check. Nope, no PR. Alright, so let's do it, guys. Shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. So yeah, let's, I'm gonna try not to bore you guys too much. Let's get through Mullen, and we'll finish up with the Yolos. Alright. So here is MULN Mullen Automotive. This finishes at $1.02 today. That is down 9.73%.
And it's gone.
All right. So we've been covering this stock for a few months now. ever since this first short squeeze to $4. It's since pulled back pretty significantly. Last time we discussed this stock, about 1.5 weeks ago, I said that this would probably continue to run to the upside until after the Russell rebalance is over, and then I expect it to sell off from there. And it appears like that's exactly what happened. The stock pumped due to fund managers rebalancing, and after the rebalance was complete, shorts coming in here and taking advantage of the rebalance. So today the stock did make top 10 on StockTwits. I believe it was actually number 2 after SPY. So a lot of retail momentum. And it's so once again we're going to analyze the stock today. So there was a reason as to why the stock went down so much today. Today was supposed to be a catalyst, and we have some PR, or a lack of PR. So we'll get to the PR in a second, but basically everyone was expecting the Fortune 500 company reveal. The CEO, David Mitchery, has been talking for a while about this big order they got from a Fortune 500 company. Said it would be revealed today. And it turns out there was no reveal today. So very disappointing. Markets didn't like it. Apes didn't like it. So yeah, the stock is selling off about 10% today. Pretty nasty. But all right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. Oh, let's take a look at the PR. All right, let's take a look at the PR real quick. All right, so first of all, it says when Mullen reports its quarter ending June 30th, the company expects to report in excess of $61 million in cash and cash equivalents. So they have money to survive in the short term. 61 million sounds like a lot, but it goes pretty quickly, especially in the EV industry. But that sounds pretty bullish because that's more money than they've ever had before on hand. It says that it delivered one van to an unnamed company. The company has requested some upgrades. They talk about how they got a loan from promissory notes. They talk about how it was added to the Russell 2 and 3000s. And they talk about raising $275 million through dilution. So yeah, nothing really new here. Just a bunch of stuff just a bunch of old news, and no Fortune 500 company reveal. So pretty disappointing here. Uh-oh, looks like we got spammers. Can someone please kick this guy out? What is this guy even spamming? Just emojis? What is this? What is this stupid bot? This is ridiculous. No, I mean PR in Fortune 500. Oh, I got you, dude. Mullen may tank to 70 levels. Oh my. It might tank to 60 cents to fill the gap. Honestly. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? Have you ever blown up an account? If so, how many? I wouldn't call it blowing up an account, but I did get wrecked on DWIC earlier before. I didn't really blow it up, but I did take a pretty fat L to where I stopped trading for a while, and I was going to come until now, and I was going to come back, but then, then I lost a bunch of money in crypto, so probably not going to be day trading for a little bit. But to answer your question, Punk Skater, not really. Not really. I didn't blow it up, but I took a fat L and decided to take a break. All right, thanks, Punk Skater. Let me ban this guy too. While your channel getting spammed for speaking ill of Mullen. Yeah, I don't know why it's getting spammed. This bunch of dirty emojis. Mullen dead cat. Yeah, we'll analyze it right now. But what's up, Atcham Barthel? I think you're new here. Haven't seen you before, so welcome to the show and the community. Shout out to you. Please smash the like button, guys. All right, let's get back to this. All right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 75 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 285. $320, $340, $360, or $425. And longer, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where the top can be the high of $15.90. So those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Triple gap down. And then we do have a triple gap down. First gap down is at 1190, so that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1190 eventually. Should come back up to 1190 to fill that gap. Second one is here, I think. Second gap down is at 465. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 465 to fill that gap. And third gap down was recently at 130. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 130 to fill that gap. So I think the gap at 130 should fill in the short term, but the gaps at 465 and 1190 are going to fill in the longer term. Here. There's also a gap up at 60 cents. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock may come back down to 60 cents to fill that gap. Looks pretty unlikely at this point, but possible. So be aware of that, guys. And triangle. Oh, wrong one. And here it appears like we have a symmetrical triangle forming. Right now, this is consolidating between 150 and $1. So it looks like there's a bit more consolidation to go. This should consolidate somewhere around 125. And then from there, it's going to break out. And then from there, it's going to break out very significantly either way, to the upside or the downside. So the symmetrical triangle is currently a neutral indicator. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. That's how you know you made it. The egg spammers come in. Yeah, I know, right? I never had. Actually, I have had egg spammers before, but that was like a lot. But yeah, I used to joke like that. Yeah, you know we're getting popular. We're making it because we got spammers now. Some guy lost 75K on BBIG. Good. Did you short DWAC? Yeah, I did before, and I got pretty wrecked on it. So, close that for a pretty fat L. What up, 1010? What's up? I'm late, but I'm here. I appreciate you, dude. Yeah, welcome back. Glad you make the show, dude. Appreciate you. And what's up, David and Quinn? This market is a waste of money. Rules don't matter. Yeah, it's pretty rough. But there has to be a bottom somewhere. And personally, I think it's almost the bottom. Just according to the historic recession pullbacks. Average pullback is 25%, and we did pull back 25% already. So I think we're near the bottom. But yeah, it's been rough, but hang in there. It'll get better. But yeah, rules don't matter. It's whatever Jay Powell and the Fed want. Hey, I just joined in. All right, shout out to you, Quinn. Appreciate you. Welcome to the show and the community. Don't think I've seen you here before, so welcome, dude. And please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Mullen can go either up or down. Wise words from the man himself. I agree. Yeah. That's my prediction. It's going to go up or down. EU just passed crypto legislation mainly focused on stablecoin pegged to the dollar or other cryptocurrencies, requires companies to have more reserves. So that's good. Terra really got a lot of regulators worried. So I guess something good came out of it. Good and bad, because we don't really want regulations like that, but it is kind of necessary. So that's pretty cool. So thanks for that, 1010. All right, back to this. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So I guess we'll go up to 3. We'll go up to 3. So right now this is sitting on the support of $1, which it finished around today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 110, 115, 120, 125, 135, 140, 155, 170, 180, 190, 195, 205, 210, 215, 225, 235, 245, 250, 255, 265, 270, 280, 285, 290, and then $3. There is resistance above $3, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 88 cents. Well, 98 cents, 88 cents, 75 cents, 60 cents, and then the low of 52 cents. So right now at the current price, 102. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 140 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow, or excuse me, the channel starts to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 140. But then if/when this breaks 195 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So from $1 to 140, expect regular price action. From 140 to 195, expect big price action, and then after 195, expect normal price action again. And to the downside, yeah, actually, let me redo the first part. So right now at the current price, $1, the channels to the upside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action if this stock runs to the upside. And to the downside, if/when this, and to the downside, the channels below $1 are pretty wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if this stock continues to run to the downside. RSI is currently at 40. So not quite oversold and undervalued, but below average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 102 should be a little bit higher. And this did 119 million in volume today, way above the average of 32 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Let's see here. Read some comments real quick. Bottom for SPY is 350, I think. Hopefully it was 360 already at bottoms, but yeah, it should be somewhere close. Shouldn't really go too much lower. I'm guessing more crypto companies go belly up in the next 6 months and the party returns. Yeah, everyone's just getting liquidated right now. And it's a whole ecosystem, you know, just pulling, it just keeps pulling it down. So, yeah, I think there's still more pain to come, but crypto should be bottoming relatively soon also. Said, why you do that? Why do what? I thought you support Trump. No, I'm not really the biggest Trump fan. I'm pretty indifferent, you know. I lean more conservative, but kind of tired of Trump. But I'd rather take him over this guy. But why I do what? Oh, he's talking about 1010. 1010 says he doesn't support any politicians that support the ideas of America, and I'm convinced most politicians are self-censored talking heads. Yeah, pretty much the same. I agree. You know, they're all pretty bad. They don't work for you. And yeah, they don't care for you. They're just looking for their own careers. But yeah, let's get back to this. But I will say I will take the Trump market again. That was good time. This is not. Anyway, back to this. All right. Oh, here's the egg spammers again. Yeah, we're really popular, huh? Oh, here it comes. Look at all the spams. Look at that. The thing is, what is this? What is the bot even spamming? Why is the bot spamming emojis? Like, where are we supposed to go? There's no links or anything. So stupid, just emojis. Oh no. At least they're not Russian or Spanish. For the longest time, we had Russian and Spanish bots. Still get Russian bots or Spanish bots. Haven't seen the Russians one lately. But yeah, someone please take care of that for me. Get the spammer out of here. Thought I just banned this guy too. Whatever. Okay. So honestly, I can't say I'm surprised. Um, the CEO has been accused of being a fast talker, and he's pulled this over and over again, where he hypes something up, talks real big, um, and when the time comes to deliver, nothing. There's nothing. So, a lot of you guys in the community have been talking about this big upcoming catalyst today, and I've been saying, I don't know, for some reason I think it's going to sell off. And, yep, and it appears like my intuition was correct. There's all these stupid spammers. Someone please take care of that for me. I'll do it later. Let's see here. So, longer term, the chart still looks pretty bullish. We got some strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle, triple gap down, and triple gap down. Great, here comes the damn ambulance. What is going on with the chat right now? I think this guy's trying to spam, and he got banned. Oh no, chat's being a little weird. Hope it's okay. Trump is not that bad. I don't think he's that bad. I just don't think he's the, I think as a president, you should be a little bit more professional, though. But I don't think he's necessarily bad. Alright. You know, I gotta wait for this damn siren to pass. What? It says message deleted by Marvin Witt. Marvin's here? Marvin's lurking. What's up, Marvin? Where's my meme?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Shout out to you, Marvin. Hope the chat's not messed up. It's acting a little funny here. Anyway, back to this. Let's stay focused. Yes, let's stay focused. Back to this. Just everything is all over the place today. These damn spammers and my computer crashing. Yeah, my apologies. Let's finish up here. All right. So yeah, we got some strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle and triple gap down. But in the short term, it's a little difficult to tell. We're getting some pretty mixed signals here. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Honestly, $1 is a pretty decent entry. Not an excellent entry, but an above average entry here. So if you're gonna hold this for the long term, it's not such a bad entry. But the channels to the down, but again, the channels to the downside are pretty wide. So if this does break $1, this can go pretty bad, very fast. So $1 appears to be some pretty strong support. So $1 appears to be some pretty critical support. Gonna take a lot of selling pressure to break that. So the way I would play it is I would set my buy orders to 60 cents because there is a chance that it comes back there to fill the gap. It does appear to be pretty unlikely. But every single day, the chance does grow. So, I think 60 cents would be an excellent entry. If it doesn't come back down there, then whatever. Move on. Look for a different play. But if it does, you're going to enter at the literal bottom and a lot of upside from there. So yeah, $1 not a bad entry. In the longer term, that is a lot of upside potential. Let's see here. Do some math. Again, in the long term, this should come back up to $11.90 to fill the gap. So from the current price of $1, that would be a 1,090% upside. So already huge upside potential. But if you're a little patient here, you may be able to get this back at 60 cents. And from 60 cents up to $11.90. Let's see here. 19. And from 60 cents up to $11.90, that would be over an 1,880% upside. So huge upside potential either way going along here. I would have no problems with you guys buying in here at $1. But personally, I try to get this back at 60 cents. I think that'd be an excellent entry. So I can support going long at $1. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. But personally, I try to get this back at 60 cents. I think that'd be an excellent entry. So I would say going long at the current price, $1 would be a medium risk, very high reward play. It's already huge upside potential, already worth a shot in my opinion. And I would say going long at 60 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. Okay. Now, if you want to go short without financial advice, I wouldn't do that. It's not necessarily a bad play, just a little too risky for my liking. $1 isn't exactly the best entry on the short side. It's a below average entry. It's a below average entry. But that being said, again, this can fill the gap at 60 cents. So there is a 40% downside. So there still is a 40% downside potential here, which is some pretty good money. The problem is, this is a meme stock. Retail favorite. So theoretically, this can go mooning / squeezing at any time. And you really don't want to get caught in that squeeze. So while you can make some pretty good money here on the downside, it's not worth it in my opinion. Too risky for my liking. You're probably better off moving on and looking for a better short play out there in the market. I would say going short here would be a very high risk. I would say going short here would be a high risk, high reward play. Can work out pretty big, but a lot of risk involved. So more of a gamble really than an investment. If you want to gamble, please do that at your own risk. But yeah, this isn't exactly the greatest short play. Okay. So pretty sure. Let's zoom out. So pretty straightforward, guys. Pretty disappointing day. The PR drop today was very disappointing. Nothing new. No Fortune 500 company reveal. Earnings are supposed to come out soon, so maybe that'll make the stock bounce back. But yeah. Disappointing day, down 10%. In the longer term, it still looks really bullish. In the short term, kind of hard to tell. So if you want to go long, $1 is not a bad entry. I can't support going long here, but personally, I'd hold off, try to get this back at 60 cents. I think that'd be an excellent entry. And if you want to go short, it can work out. Not a bad play, but pretty risky. So I wouldn't go for it. But there is a lot of downside potential. So if you want to gamble, if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. And I would say cover at 60 cents where the gap is. So there are opportunities to make money. So there are opportunities to make money on both sides here. Although I think the best way to play this is to go long at 60 cents. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MULN Mullen Automotive. Alright, so that took way longer than I expected, but we got through it. Marvin says he was waiting for someone to notice. What's good, folks? Yeah, what's up, Marvin? Nice having you back. Hope you're grinding, doing your thing. Shout out to you. Appreciate you, dude. Yeah, I noticed that. I was like, what the hell? Marvin's in here? Always a pleasure to have you back, dude. He only call fat woman fat, that's all. It's a little worse than that, but I don't really care about that. It is pretty funny though. It's a little worse than that though, but see, I don't care if he does that, but when you're on a world stage, you can't really be saying stuff like that about other leaders. That's my problem. But if you want to call Rosie O'Donnell fat, I don't care. It's pretty funny to me. Everyone who bet heavy on MULN 150 call options for Friday just got screwed. Yep. Manipulation. Even the $1 got pretty screwed. I just saw you were live and thought I'd pop in. I appreciate you, dude. Yeah. Always a pleasure to have you. And today's a little bit crazy, computer crashed and a lot of spammers and everything, so a little all over the place today, but yeah, I appreciate you, Marvin. Always a pleasure to have you back. Hopefully in the future you can come back, you can drop in a little more. But I see you, dude. Stay grinding. Get that money. And you're actually doing the right thing, maybe not intentionally, but going cash gang right now is probably the best move, and just waiting for better entries. Remember, there is dilution vote for July 26th to increase authorized shares to 2.2 billion. Not sure I want to get in. I did not know that. So yeah, that's bearish. That's bearish. That's not going to be good. Probably going to go down. Mullen looks bad. Yeah, it doesn't look too good right now. I agree. According to the proxy, insiders have 50% of the vote. Makes sense. They can do whatever they want. Probably set it up like that purposely. Mike Shibnobi, like a ninja, like Naruto. I see the pun there. Mike Shibnobi flavor. It will come back. I'm not worried. Yeah, it'll have its day again. But in the short term, there may be more pain to come. That's all I'll say. But yeah, I wouldn't expect like a squeeze or anything. Well, maybe it will, but I would play this as a long-term hold. I wouldn't. If it squeezes, great, but I wouldn't count on that. I wouldn't expect one. So what happened to the Fortune 500? There is none. Well, not that there is none, but it did not get announced today. So a good chance there is none, and it's a lie. But for now, apparently there still is one. Just no confirmed release, no confirmed partnership yet. But quite honestly, I don't think there is one. I think the guy's full of BS and he's lying. But I don't want to disappoint the apes here. I don't want to say anything the apes don't like. But yeah, I don't really think it's even. I don't think it's real. We'll see though. But alright guys, so that's all the TA for today. Took a little longer than I expected. But yeah, let's get on to the Yolos now. So it is 5:34, so yeah, going a little long here, longer than I expected. But there's a lot of people chatting, and we're just getting distracted a lot today. So yeah, so appreciate everyone who's still here, who's still here. All the regulars, familiar faces, and new people. And let's finish up with the Yolos now. And you guys have anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything, put in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll just finish with the Yolos and get out of here. So, 1 second. Let me pull that up, and let me check YouTube while we're at it. And please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Alright, YouTube Yolos. Wow, we're at 17 viewers. What the hell? I didn't even know that many people were here. So, shout out to everyone who's here. Regulars, familiar faces, new people, lurkers. I see you guys. Yeah, 17 people. A lot of people. That may be a record. I don't know. I don't think so. But that's a lot of people. And 17 likes. So, please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys. Appreciate you.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And what up, Wilson? What's up? What's up to everyone? All 17 of you guys right now.
Hey. What's up?
Alright. 1 second. Gonna pull up the Yolos here. We'll finish up with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I'm gonna let that load. Mullen broke under $1. Yeah, I said that was gonna happen. I got called crazy for saying that last week, and here we are. So, I'm the voice of reason. I tell the truth here. I'm kind of happy because I thought I missed the boat on Mullen, so I will be looking to buy, but not right now. Also, I'm not happy for the current shareholders, though. Yeah, it's a mess, dude. If you want to swing trade it, sure. But to me, honestly, it's like Nikola 2.0. And I do feel pretty bad for all the shareholders. For Mullen and BBIG. There's a lot of BBIG bag holders, too. Which is just pretty much... So Mullen is like Nikola 2.0, and BBIG is like MMAT 2.0. MMAT 2.0. for all you OGs, you know, back when MMAT was popular. So, yeah, personally, I stay away from it. And, yeah, I don't know. I'm very skeptical about that stock. And, yeah, I do feel very badly for all the bag holders right now. Buy the dip on XLE. Let's check it out. All right. Looks pretty good right now. I don't see any gaps, any gap ups. Actually, there is one here. But probably not going to fill. So, there is a gap here at 51. That's a bit questionable. Oh, and also here at 57. Yeah, so 57, 51, there are gaps. But it looks like it's holding pretty strong here. RSI is at 36, so that's on the oversold side. And a lot of gap downs, 2 gap downs. So, yeah, right now it looks like a pretty good time to buy the dip. Just be aware, it can't keep going to the downside even more. But, dipped pretty hard, down from 93. And, yeah, double gap down, cup and handle, bull flag, possibly. Low RSI, so it looks like a pretty good buy right now. So, yeah, I can support a buy right here. But, I'm just concerned about there is a double gap up. Unlikely it goes down there to fill those gaps, though. Not in energy ETF like this. So I'm going to say yes on that one, Punk Skater. You have time to watch Kroger Guy Family Emergency Video. It is 6 minute. Possibly. We'll see. We'll see after the Yolos. What is the best expiration date for swing trading options to not get screwed by Theta? I know leaps are best, but sometimes they can be expensive. All right, what is the best expiration date for swing trading options? I mean, it pretty much is leaps, you know? Because Theta Decay really kicks in about a month or two before expiration. So you don't really feel it. So yeah, probably anything over a month. I would say 2 months. Anything over 2 months is better to not get screwed by Theta, but once it hits 1 or 2 months out to expiration, then Theta really, really has an effect. Yeah, the answer is leaps, though. You know, like the furthest ones you can buy. But yeah, I feel you. It is expensive. Actually, Brucey was talking about that yesterday on Discord, asking about intrinsic and extrinsic value and delta and all that. But yeah, the answer is leaps. But that's the trade-off. You got to pay a lot more for more safety. Daniel James Ryan Photo says, admitted lurker. So, yeah, shout out to you, Daniel. Yeah, you know, I know there's a lot of lurkers here. So, shout out to you guys. I see you guys. And appreciate all the support, even if you guys don't chat, you know. Just hit that like button. And appreciate all the support from everyone. Well, Mullen is tanking now. Really? What is it at now? Nikola 2.0, LMAO. I mean, that's pretty accurate statement, is it not? And BBIG is MMAT 2.0. I live the Jim Cramer Wall Street Bets guy. Oh, the logo. Yeah, that was a good one. So Wall Street Bets has been going down in quality and content, but I do like that Jim Cramer, the logo. I'm bag holding both. I suck. Yeah, that's pretty rough, but at least you don't have too many. You know, at least you didn't YOLO all in, throw in your life savings in MMAT like some people. That's ridiculous. But yeah, that sucks. Sorry to hear that, dude. You'll be alright, though. Not too much. You didn't have too much money in there. Kroger guy gaining subs against you. He has 860 subs. You got 946. I have 946. I lost the sub. Alright, well, that's cool. Shout out to Kroger guy. The rate is 6 months. 3 to 6 months what? Oh. Yeah, I'd say anything over 2 months, but personally, I'd go for the longest, like anything over a year, really. But the short answer would be anything over 2 months, I would say. But, yeah. But personally, I go for anything like at least 6 months out. That's what's considered a leaps, really, is 6 months out. So, yeah, short answer, anything over 2 months, but if you want to be, but personally, I wouldn't recommend anything below 6 months, and personally, I wouldn't do anything below a year. Spammers is back attacking. Yeah, I don't know what's up. This one bot is like really going hard today. But shout out to the mods for, getting that under the control. Dropped to 94, but rebounded to 98. 94. So what's up, Cookie Quan? What's up? So shout out to everyone who's here. A lot of new faces I haven't seen before, so shout out to everyone.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
And yeah, Mullen is, it doesn't look too good in the short term. Looks like it's going to keep pulling back in the short term, unfortunately. Alright, guys. So yeah, shout out to everyone who's here. Let's get back to the YOLOs. Alright, guys, so today I got 7 YOLOs. Mostly memes and gain corn, I think. So nothing too serious. Should be fun. Let's do it. This is by Animosity Samina 35. The market has been saved. Alright, so here's a Jim Cramer meme. Tweet by Jim Cramer. And recession started already. Alright, so you guys know the joke, inverse Jim Cramer. So this is what we've been waiting for. If Jim Cramer says recession is in, it may have bottomed out, and this may be a bull run from here. So up to this point, Jim Cramer's been saying recession. No recession. And now he's saying recession already started. So I'll take this as a bullish indicator. Not saying you guys should use this as financial advice, but I've been waiting for this. Jim Cramer needed to say there is a recession. So this may be the bottom here. We'll see. Hopefully. And yeah, again, this is not financial advice, but it tends to work, inverse Jim Cramer. So I'm feeling pretty bullish now. Good stuff. Puts on the spammers, lol. Yeah, I don't know why it's so bad today. Here, a Kroger guy video. All right, we'll see if we'll watch that. Monday closed on Monday. Yeah, Monday is July 4th. So thanks for reminding me. Yeah, no show on Monday, guys. So gonna be a nice long weekend. All right, next one by Cool Stock 8685. Calls on Heaven. So here's a J Powell meme. Some of his famous quotes. So Q1 2021. Quantitative easing won't cause inflation. Q2. Some inflation, but transitory. Q3. Okay, high inflation, but we are peaking. Q4. Okay, inflation maybe not transitory, but job market wage growth very strong. Q1 2022. Need to hike aggressively to curb inflation, but no worries, economy very strong and soft landing possible. Q2. Negative growth in Q1, but no recession risk. And then we're going to predict from there. So Q3, okay, recession coming, but you will not lose your home. Q4, okay, you may lose your home, but you won't starve to deleted. And Q1 2023, you may get deleted, but you go to heaven. So yeah, we're here in the Q2 right now. He didn't say no recession risk. He said little recession risk. But yeah, so far no one believes a damn thing this guy says. So yep, we'll see what happens at the end of the year. But this is a pretty good prediction here. So good stuff. The bottom is him. Thanks, Kramer. Not financial advice. Yeah, hopefully. I'm going to take it as bullish. Alright, this one is by Strum the building. The truth hurts. My options expire worthless because I'm a dumbass. Your options expire worthless because due to manipulation. We are the same. Where's the meme?
Knowledge.
So yes, I feel this one. This cannot be truer. You know, everyone thinks they're a genius. When you lose money, when you make money, you're a genius. When you lose money, manipulation. So, you know, a lot of retail has to admit when they're wrong, when they made a bad investment, and you know, take accountability, blame it on themselves. That's the only way you get better. So I feel this meme right here. A lot of truth to it. Lonzo Turner says Jim is cap. Yeah, I don't think you should listen to him. I don't think you should be taking any financial advice from the guy. But I do like him as a television personality. You know, he is good for TV. Gets a lot of hate, but you know, he's more money than any of us. Probably all of us combined. So, yeah, gets a lot of hate, and he kind of deserves it. But you know, at the end of the day, he's laughing. He's laughing at us. But yeah, the inverse Jim Cramer does tend to work. Jerome Powell at his finest, absolutely. And shout out to you, Lonzo Turner. Haven't seen you before, so welcome to the show and the community. All right, next one by Altum Feliz, and they shall raise statues in your names. So I don't know where this is, but this is an ape in a spacesuit. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'd put this in my house or something. Very cool piece of art. I like it a lot. I don't think it was meant for this, though. But I like it. Nice picture there. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Appreciate you. Alright. Enough of the memes. Let's get into the plays here. So this is by Synthetic Medicine. Definitely reviewed this guy the other day. We may have reviewed this play, actually. I think this is an update, actually. So, yeah. So here he is, August 19th, 380 strike puts for SPY. So I like the expiration. That's quite a bit away. And the strike is pretty good, too. 380. Very reasonable strike, very reasonable expiration. And he already hit the sell button. So he already cashed out. So this is done really, really well. I like the strike. I like the expiration. And didn't get too greedy. Already closed the position. So this is pretty different than your typical Wall Street bets ape. And it's like kind of an FD, but not really. This was well done. Well planned and well executed. So I like this one a lot. If he continues to hold through August, this may be worth zero. But yeah, you know. 49K gain. Gotta be happy with that. Congrats to this guy, Synthetic Medicine. Shout out to you. So yeah, guys, if you're in the money, consider taking profits. Don't get too greedy. All right, next one. By Best Cycle 1811. Lost everything in 2020, returning to lose it all again. All right, let's see here. All right, so yeah, he's down 52K all time, 88.5%.
And it's gone.
Ouch. That's pretty bad, but I guess not. I guess it could be worse. And, oh, wrong one. And here we have an $80 AMD call expiring next week. 4K YOLO. Yeah, I don't know. High risk, high reward, but even if it does go in the money, he's still going to be down overall. But, yeah, how does one lose 52K all time? How does one get to this chart here? Definitely FD YOLO all in. Lose all your money. So, yeah, this guy, already knows his destiny. He just came back to fulfill his destiny here. So yeah, I don't know what this guy's thinking. Just seems like a degen problem, to be honest. But so this AMD play isn't necessarily terrible. High risk, high reward, can pay off pretty big. But yeah, chill with the FDs, dude. It's what cost you all the money. It's what cost you with this huge loss, and didn't work before. I don't know why you think it's gonna work again. But sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. Hope that FD play works out, and please post updates. All right, last one by Tower of Satan. Who's buying the dip for the 69th time just to get F by your favorite tech stock because you're lonely and have no GF? All right, so this is kind of a meme. So this is PayPal 6969. Nice. I don't think the numbers are too accurate because it says he is $69 in his account. I don't think that's the case. But nice, 6969, and here he has 428 shares, and he's down 29.5K. Down about 50%. Ouch. So yeah, this one, pretty big loss core, but they're shares, not FDs. So if anything, just hold diamond hands, you make money back. And nice, 6969. So yeah, Tower of Satan, shout out to you. Thanks for the meme. And yeah, kind of sucks with PayPal. You're down 30K, but at least they're shares. So, you know, diamond hands, you make money back one day. Maybe consider averaging down. But yeah, shout out to you, dude. If you delete in an elevator, make sure you press the up button. Pretty sure it's sarcasm, but why? How's that even possible? If you're already deleted, I don't think you can hit the button. But yeah, you should make sure someone finds you. All right, so we got 3 more. I don't think we're gonna watch the YouTube video, low roller, but we can finish up with your links here. All right, so that's all my YOLOs for today. Let's see what low roller has. Ever has one of those days, 12K to 45K. SPY options. Yeah, well, you know, high risk, high reward. This could have went from 12K to 0 also. So pretty big gain there. Huge gain, 33K. So shout out to this guy, 270% in one day. But just high risk, high reward. So I don't recommend you guys do this unless you can afford to lose the money. But yeah, the longer this guy does this, he's gonna lose all his money. So secure the gains, enjoy it, and you know, probably not do this in the future. You're gonna lose it right back. What's this? Christmas coming up. July and Christmas coming up. All I want for Christmas is Doge to reach $100. Yeah, keep dreaming. I'll take a $1. I'll take 50 cents. How about that? I'll take 30 cents. I'll take 25 cents. But shout out to Mariah Carey. She don't look that good anymore. But she used to be real bad. Is it just me, or did they used to fill these more? Yeah, it used to be up to here, right? I think so. I think so. Yeah, they're skipping on the soda, which is crazy because the stuff costs pennies to make in the first place. And Cheetos bags. What's the serving? This one looks a lot bigger. Maybe there's a bunch of air in here. I don't know. But yeah, definitely not as many Cheetos. I don't think eating Cheetos is the greatest idea either. This stuff is like pretty bad for you. Tastes good though. But alright guys. So that is the show for today. Went 2 hours, which is on the longer side. I said hour and a half to 2 hours. So we went 2 hours today. We also had some technical difficulties, so makes sense. But that's all I got for today, guys. Low roller. We're not going to watch the video today. Maybe tomorrow if we got more time. Yeah, 6 o'clock, so I want to get out of here. But yeah, guys, that's the show for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Good stuff. Let me check YouTube real quick. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Good stuff. A few articles, Mullen, and a bunch of Yolos. Anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything, put in the chat right now. It says 6 viewers, 21 likes. So that is a lot of likes. A lot of likes. I don't think that's the record, but that is definitely up there. So shout out to everyone. Great show today. Great show today. And we started pretty bad with the technical difficulties. So, yeah, show turned out pretty good. Pretty good, considering, all things considered. So shout out to everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
So anything else, guys? 6 people in here. Don't know who those 6 people are, but shout out to you guys. You guys are real ones. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. And yeah, that's all I got. So finish it on time here. I'll work on this video real soon. And yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. And reminder, no show on Monday. Monday is July 4th. So one more show, and then we got a long weekend coming up. All right, anything else? Going once. Going twice. All right, I think that's it, guys. The Kroger guy go payday loan and pawn shop to pay a $1,000 bill. He said in the video since he needed money to pay his bills. He had to pay $1,000. What did he have? So did he get $1,000 or did he pay $1,000? He's struggling right now. So yeah, I wish nothing for the best for him, but he needs to stop complaining, go get a job, and keep his job. And what up, Quebec? What's up? Nice seeing you again. Appreciate you. I like the way this guy talks. What, me? Appreciate you, dude. A lot of people say that. Some guy said I talk like a racetrack, like a horse racing guy. I was like, what does that mean? Is that good or bad? But yeah, a lot of people have told me that I have a good like radio voice, media voice. So yeah, appreciate you. Read comments. Read my comments. I did read your comments, dude. Alright, so yeah, shout out to Quebec, shout out to Alonzo, Low Roller, Ken. But that's all I got for the show, guys, so I think that's it. Let's get out of here. And yeah, Low Roller, let's try tomorrow for the video. But we're running out of time today, so maybe tomorrow. Alright, so catch you guys tomorrow. And again, no show Monday. Alright, let's get out of here. You have to borrow money on payday loans. He has to borrow money on payday loans. So he has to take payday loans. Which is not good. Those are very predatory, you know, and he's going to get in a never-ending cycle of debt. But hey, now he's content to make. Alright, cool. Let's get out of here, guys. Yeah, I thought air was free until I bought a bag of chips. Yeah, I feel you, dude. Where's the meme? No, that legit is a problem. I definitely see that. All the chips I buy, the big bags, is like half empty. It's like a quarter full of chips. It's pretty stupid. Yeah, you legit pay for air now. Good stuff, fam. I'm glad I was able to catch the end of the show. All right, yeah. Shout out to you, Marvin. Glad to have you back. Always a pleasure. And yeah, hope you can make some future shows. All right, guys. 5 viewers, 22 likes. So yeah, that is a lot of likes. I think the record is like 26, if I'm not mistaken, 25 or 26. So we didn't quite hit the record, but yeah, this is definitely one of the better shows ever, and so much appreciated. Couldn't do without you guys, and especially because, like I said, the show started slow, technical difficulties, so quite a surprise. But yeah, couldn't do without you guys. So shout out to you guys. Thanks for the show today, and shout out to the community, just growing every single day. All right, let's get out of here, guys. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.